All right, guys, so that pass in the Kole Truck was from about a month ago, and it was super hard to launch the truck. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna have Sean throw in a handbrake, and the handbrake should allow us to hold the truck still and get a good launch. All right, guys, let's get this done. For those of you new to the channel, this is our Kole Truck. It is a little NASCAR truck. We stuck a Honda engine in, makes 260 horsepower right now. Eventually we'll be bumping that up with the new set of camshafts, and then some nitrous, and then, you know, boost. Maybe a turbo. Yeah, but it has a Jericho transmission and a Winner's quick change rear end. The whole thing weighs around 2,400 pounds. I actually thought it was way lighter than that until I scaled it, and then I was sadly disappointed that there's still a ton of weight in it. But that's the rundown on the Kole Truck. And right now, like I said, we're working on the brake so we can launch it, and then we'll be running it Streetcar Takeover this weekend. All right, Sean's getting the fluid in here and he's getting ready to mount the pedal. Is that what you're doing?
I just drilled some holes and I was seeing where my mounting holes went to, so they went inside the box frame, so I'm gonna have to use some nut certs.
Oh, because it's so tight to this side, we're right into the box.
But thankfully, since Astro Tools hooked us up with the awesome nut cert kit, we're gonna put some nut certs in there and make our lives much easier.
They are awesome.
They are, I love them.
Yeah, it's
so much
cool.
easier than getting a flare nut, and drilling a hole out, flipping it upside down, welding it in, grinding it flat.
Right?
Makes life much nicer.
This Jeep is rowdy.
I hear it, and I'm
gonna go take a peek at it if that's cool with you.
I'm smelling the lead in the air. I like that 110.
Woo! It's awesome.
Smell that money. Earn that money.
Right? All right, we'll be back to check on you in just a bit.
Cool.
It's really cool to see the progress you're making. So.
Yep.
Awesome. Just an animal. Oh, you can hear it and feel it like we do. It's just incredible. That one's running. Oh, this one's good. It's kind of hard to see, but Sean's got a hole here and a hole here, and these are the holes he's going to put nut certs in to mount the brake. So he's working on that now. Well, get in there, old man. Oh, woo! You lost your wheel.
Well, I lost my marbles quite a while ago. So
Yeah.
Wheels just.
So now it's like, Jesus, take the wheel.
All right, so we got our cool little nut certs. So these are like rivets that are threaded on the inside. And this is like a cool riveter. They thread on here. And when I squeeze them, they crimp it down, and it's got this little serrated edge to grip so it don't twist inside the hole. There it goes. And voila, like that, we have a threaded panel.
That's cool, bro. Next.
Boom. Got two more to add, but I need to get the rest of the hardware here so I can mount those two down and then mark the other two spots, drill, cert,
and keep going.
Keep moving.
Cool, so getting the handbrake done.
Yep, hardware's on its way. I'll be getting that as soon as that gets here. Get that mounted and then get to start plumbing hardline.
Awesome. All right, working by Braille?
Yes, sir. I'm using my arm to hold it.
So you can't see what he's doing, but you can see his twisting motion getting the bolts in.
have to go get an Allen wrench for this guy.
I can go get it.
Thank you, sir.
No problem.
Thank you. Throw it around.
Oh.
Hope it falls in the hole. It's just real tight. I gotta sneak down past the slave to get in here.
All right, so Sean's got the brake mounted and all tightened up. Looks great. Gets past the steering wheel, which is part of the hurdles, yeah, because it's so close. There's not a lot of real estate in it.
We got like a 1/4 of an inch. That's all we need, though.
Yeah, it'll work great. That's it, man. You're the official driver of the Kole Truck now. Big shifting like that, it's got to be rewarded. Very cool.
All right, mounting,
right.
check.
All right, now we got some lines. And
on to plumbing.
Whew. Sean got really close right here on the staging brake. So he just needs to get a fitting in the morning for that, and then the brake's all done, and then bleed them out. And that'll pretty much take care of that, Sean. You worked your tail off for that all day. And everything else you had to do, yeah. You've been going like crazy. It's pretty awesome, man.
I'm ready for a break on Saturday. You guys can all go play at the track, and I'm gonna go play with my kids.
Yeah. So on Saturday, he gets to go play with some heavy machinery with his kids. Almost
Big Dig at Richie Brothers.
called the Big Dig, yeah. So they'll be operating some heavy equipment, and that'll be really cool to hear about. So,
awesome.
Right on. All right, it's the next morning, and what an evening with the Jeeps and everything else. But Sean has just finished up mounting and bleeding the brake. So that is all done. Now they're gonna wash the Kole Truck and get it all ready for a streetcar takeover. I'm done with practice. All right, good work, dude.
Thank you.
Well, wait till you're not rubbing your eye.
Yeah, I just whapped myself in the eye with the hook. It swung and thumped me right there real quick. Full on open eye too.
Well, good work, dude.
Thanks.
That's pretty good. Everyone's loving your Sho'nuff content.
Cool.
So those of you that haven't seen that, jump on the Sho'nuff videos, check out Sean build the fuel cell. Turned out awesome. Now that we've got the handbrake installed, we're gonna go ahead and run the truck here at Streetcar Takeover. And since Brad from Haltech's in town, he gets to run it. So good luck, Brad. Let's go. B-Rad just made a pass on the Kole Truck.
Yep.
Let's find out how he did. What'd you think, man?
Well, Colorado did real good. PFISpeed got on board with us this year. I think we're going to go a little faster next year in it. Could have got a little bit better launch out of it.
Right? I had the tires staggered.
Yeah, we took a little bit of wedge out of it.
Put some wedge out.
No, it was fun. It was really fun.
We're getting rained out, so we're not gonna get a second pass probably, but that's how it goes sometimes racing. But he was flying. I mean, with a launch, I mean, you're still trapping the same as we were in it, so.
Yeah, I went 98 mile an hour.
98 mile an hour.
I got the slip here.
Let's take a look at the slip. Woo!
Not real great on the 60. It's still 1.9, but
hey, it was a 1.9, and I know it'll pull 1.5 or better.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Not bad.
First time, so right on, brother.
Yeah.
Good job. While they're in there jetting that Jeep up, I had to show you this. He also brought this down here, and it's cool as hell. Check that out. Check that out. I've got a soft spot for these things, and that is cool. That is clean. I love the little exhaust. I've got a Trill 70 of my own, so I'm all about this thing. That is super cool.
That looks like one I'd drill out. Now, these guys brought a toy with them, and it looks like Brent's commandeering it. Are you commandeering their toy?
Yeah, this is cool. I had to just do what? Did you see the ratchets for pegs?
Oh, that's... Man.
Yeah.
Woohoo! Evel Knievel. Thanks for hanging out with us. Please drop a comment, give me a like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.